they may be very intelligent, but then finally it is the confidence and the communication skills, communication through art they learn, which is going to be very helpful in their later life. When they go for interviews, when they go for jobs, when they go to execute projects or execute plans, it is this confidence that will come very useful to them. And what the parents are allowing their children to do this, it is a very wonderful thing on the part of the parents. I must be, the judges, the work of the judges has been the most difficult according to me. When you see the talent of kids like this and the way the choreographer has trained them, I don't know how you did your job, but you did a wonderful thing. Thank you very much, judges. Last but not the least, though I am part of this NMTV team, I would like to admit that God's greatest gift to Navi Mumbai has been our editor Ravi Subbiah. I have seen him struggle through all this. I have seen him how he started all this work. And how Zeba helped him reach this stage. It is... Thank you, Ravi. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Sir.
Pleasant evening to all of you. First of all, I will congratulate to all the parents and the kids. It's a wonderful attempt by NMTV. For that, I will thank Mr. Ravi, Zeba and his team. I wish all the best to NMTV team, and I hope we'll see more and more program of this kind in future. Thank you.
It was a wonderful experience to watch the NNTV Smart Kids contest. All the participants were really good, and it's a great job to select the smart kid here. I don't know. It's the job of the judges. Really, it's a difficult job. And I wish NMTV a great success ahead also, and wish to see more such contests ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, so much. Now I would like to request NMTV Editor-in-Chief Ravi Subbiah to say a few words.
मैं सबसे पहले मेरे खुदा को शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ कि उसने मुझे इस प्रकार का दिन देखने का मौका दिया, क्योंकि मैं जब भी ये स्टेज देखता हूँ तो मैं सोचता हूँ कि वाकई में उसका मेहरबानी है कि मैं इस प्रकार का काम कर सकता हूँ। मैं सबसे पहले मैं पेरेंट्स को बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है कि ये जो बच्चे हैं वो जनरेशन नेक्स्ट है। आज हम जो बच्चों को सिखाएंगे, आज हम जो आदत डालेंगे, क्योंकि जिस प्रकार का समाज बनाना है वो बच्चों से बनता है। कल हम हो ना हो, लेकिन ये बच्चे आगे के दुनिया ले जाएंगे। तो आज जो भी बच्चे यहाँ पर परफॉर्मेंस दिए, मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई जब पहली बार मेरे सामने ये जो ऐसे कॉन्टेस्ट करने के लिए हमारी जो NMTV की जो एंकर है सीमा, उन्होंने आया तो मैंने पहले सोचा कि ये वाकई में होगा या नहीं, लेकिन जिस प्रकार से ज़ेबा, सना और जो बाकी के पूरी टीम जो है, उन्होंने जिस प्रकार की मेहनत की, तो मैं आज जब मैं ऑडियंस में बैठा था तो मैंने बोला कि वाकई मेरे बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया। मैं आप लोग को बोलता कि एक जोरदार तालियां उनके लिए हो जाए। और दूसरी बात है, आपको मैं नम्र विनती से करूंगा कि मैं माफी चाहूंगा कि कुछ पेरेंट्स को ऑडियंस में बैठने को नहीं मिला, क्योंकि सीटिंग कांस्टेंट थे, लेकिन आप लोगों ने जिस प्रकार का उत्साह बताया तो मैं वाकई आपका धन्यवाद करता हूं। और सबसे ज्यादा मैं उस जजों को जिन्होंने हमें सम्मान रखा, उनके कीमती वक्त लेकर आए और उन्होंने जिस प्रकार का सहयोग दिया, मैं उसके लिए भी शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं। और सबसे ज्यादा कैप्टन पार्थोदास जी को, उन्होंने जिस प्रकार हम लोग को सहयोग किया, और बाकी हर पेरेंट्स, हर जो मेरी टीम है, चाहे वो कोरियोग्राफी का हो, चाहे वो म्यूजिक का हो, मेरे कैमरामैन, सब लोग हैं। हम लोग अभी न्यूज तो करते ही थे, लेकिन पहली बार हम लोग ने इस प्रकार का रियलिटी शो रखा। कुछ गलतियां हुई है, लेकिन फिर भी खुदा के मेहर से और आप लोग के सहयोग से सब बराबर हुआ। और सबसे ज्यादा मैं आप लोग को एक बात बोलता हूं, हमारी एनएमटीवी के और एक डायरेक्टर है, मेरी बीवी दीपिका रानी, वो जो भी मैं करता हूं चुपचाप सुनती रहती है, कुछ भी बोलती नहीं है, लेकिन उसका पूरा सहयोग रहता है। मैं बुलाऊंगा उनको स्टेज पे, क्योंकि वो बैक स्टेज से प्रोत्साहन देती है, तो मुझे ऑनर होता है कि उसका भी बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहता है। कुछ भी नहीं बोलती है, और सबसे ज्यादा देव को भी जाता है, जिन्होंने ये पूरा अरेंजमेंट किया स्टेज का, म्यूजिकल का। मैं सभी को शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं। लेकिन मैं ये पांचों कंटेस्टेंट को ये बोलना चाहूंगा कि ये सिर्फ एक कोशिश है, ये जीतना हारना तो होता ही रहता है। जीतने वाले को कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होना चाहिए, हारने वाले को दुखी नहीं होना चाहिए, जिंदगी है। और मैं चाहता हूं कि आने वाले दिनों में बहुत सारे कॉम्पिटिशन्स लाइंड अप है। मैं चाहूंगा कि यहाँ पे जितने भी उपस्थित है वापस से मुझे सहयोग करें और बेहतर समाज हम बनाएं, बेहतर विचारों को बांटें, और मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि इसी प्रकार का सहयोग आप लोग का सबसे मिलता रहेगा। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, sir. I think we are ready to begin the prize distribution ceremony. First of all, we would like to call the 19 contestants. A big round of applause for all the 19 contestants, please.
सड़कों पर जोर से गाऊं, सब अपने अपने घर की खिड़की खोले।
A big round of applause, please, once again for all the 19 contestants. We'll begin with giving all the participants a certificate of participation. I call upon contestant number 1, Shreya Pujari, to please come forward. I request Madam Deepika Rani to please give away the certificate. A big round of applause, please, for all the contestants. Contestant number 2, Aditya Kulkarni. Please, पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, वो करेगा, उसके लिए round of applause, please. Madam, please. Contestant number 3, Rashi Khemka. Contestant number 4, Siddesh Sambare. Applaud. Please put your hands together for the contestants. Contestant number 5, Nipurna Gauli. I request Anuradha Jalnawala to give away the next set of participation. Anuradha, please ma'am. Please come. Madam Putri. Contestant number 6, Mahidar Sharma. Please put your hands together for Mahidar Sharma. Contestant number 7, Sakshi Podar. Contestant number 8, Vishal Salian. Contestant number 9, Poonji Gupta. For the beautiful voice and beautiful smile, please put your hands together. Contestant number 10, Ninad Matre. Nair sir, could you please come forward? Contestant number 11, Swastika Dash. Contestant number 12, Shruti Narayan. Contestant number 13, Amay Borkar. Please put your hands together for all the contestants. Contestant number 14, Savita Ji. Contestant number 15, Saurish Bhanja. Contestant number 16, the very beautiful Vedika Sharma. Put your hands together for Vedika Sharma. Contestant number 17, Akash Petwal. The rock dancer. Put your hands together for him. Contestant number 18, Aishwarya Ghosh. Please put your hands together. I know you're tired, but please. And contestant number 19, Swaraj Mistry. Once again, a big round of applause for all the final contestants. Can we have the NMTV brand ambassadors and the special performances? We also want to give them certificate of participation. For the beautiful dancers, please come. You have been very good entertainers this evening. Marilyn, Carolyn, Kriti, if Deven is there in the audience. Keya and Pranami. Pranami, the little wonder, please come forward. Can I once again request Anuradha Jalnawala ji to please certificate of participation to all these. First to begin with, Keya Oza. Keya, where? Keya, go ahead. Take it. Pranami Oza. The little girl, please put your hands together for her if you enjoyed her performance. Deven Jadhav, NMTV Brand Ambassador, Kidsmart 2008. Kriti, please put your hands together for Kriti. Carolyn Ravi, please go forward. Carolyn. And Marilyn Ravi. Now we have 5 categories, different categories in which we would like to give the students who have scored the highest mark. They are NMTV Kidsmart 2008 Health, NMTV Kidsmart 2008 Knowledge, Talent, Style and Popular. I would request each one of the judges to give away one award. The first one would be for NMTV Kidsmart 2008 Health, and the award has been given to Aishwarya Ghosh. Mr. Parmeshwar, please. You keep it.
ढूंढ रहा था एक नई दुनिया का पता मेरे यार सुन लो
1 second. All these 5 categories, each student will be given ₹1000 cash prize as well. Aishwarya, wait a second, we are getting your cash prize. Aishwarya Ghosh, NMTV Kidsmart 2008 Health has been given ₹1000 cash prize. A big round of applause for her. The next one is NMTV Kidsmart 2008 Knowledge. I request Mr. Chetia to please come on the stage and give away NMTV Kidsmart 2008 Knowledge to Shruti Narayan. She secured the highest mark in general knowledge test. I request Sandhya to please come on the stage and give away NMTV Kidsmart 2008 Talent, the round that was conducted yesterday. The winner of yesterday's round, no points for guessing, Akash Petwal.
उसका जहाज घिरा तूफान सुन लो, फिर भी ना आई कमी उसके अरमानों में, मेरे यार सुनो सुनो।
Thank you so much, Sandhya. The next, NMTV Kidsmart 2008 Style. The child who was most stylish or looked after him or herself very well through the grooming sessions. And NMTV Kidsmart 2008 Style has been given to Poonji Gupta. I request Captain Parthadas to please come forward.
ऐसा ही था,
NMTV Kidsmart 2008 Stylish Poonji Gupta at the hands of the most stylish judge tonight, Captain Parthadas. And the last, NMTV Kidsmart 2008 Popular, the child who was friends maybe with all during all these rounds. The children gave votes for this round, so that is how one winner was selected. Now I request Principal of Podar School, Mr. Thakur, to please come on stage, give away NMTV Kidsmart Popular to the beautiful Vedika Sharma.
ऐसा था जिंदगी से,
Each of the winners have been given ₹1,000 cash prizes. All right, time to announce the first three of the final round that we had today. We'll first start with the second runner-up, then the first runner-up, and then the winner. Let me tell you that the second runner-up will be given ₹10,000 cash prize. The first runner-up ₹15,000, and NMTV Kidsmart 2008 would be given ₹25,000 cash prize. Now I request Indian Bank Vashi manager to please come on stage, and we would give away the second runner-up. Please, sir, come. NMTV Kidsmart 2008 second runner-up is Shruti Narayan, a cash prize of ₹10,000. Put your hands together for Shruti Narayan.
दिल क्या कहता है मेरा क्या
Thank you, Shruti. Thank you, sir. Can I request Shri Manoj Jalnawala ji to please come forward to give away the first runner-up award. NMTV Kidsmart 2008 first runner-up is Poonji Gupta. Put your hands together for Poonji Gupta. ₹15,000 cash prize.
चढ़ जाऊं, चिल्ला चिल्ला के मैं ये सबसे कह दूं, है ये वक्त का इशारा, हर लम्हा पुकारा,
NMTV Kidsmart 2008 first runner-up Poonji Gupta.
जिंदगी मिलेगी ना दोबारा।
And now, the first ever NMTV Kidsmart 2008 winner is... I request NMTV Editor-in-Chief Ravi Subbiah ji to do the honors. And the winner is... Ladies and gentlemen, NMTV Kidsmart 2008 winner Aishwarya Ghosh. Put your hands together. ₹25,000 cash prize, Aishwarya Ghosh. Please put your hands together for her. I request all the winners to please come, we'll have a photograph. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. NMTV Kidsmart 2008 second runner-up Shruti Narayan, first runner-up Poonji Gupta, and the first winner, she has created history, Aishwarya Ghosh. Put your hands together for all of them.
गीला क्यों पानी गीला गीला क्यों गोल क्यों है जमीन सिल्क में है नरमी क्यों आग में है गर्मी क्यों दो पाँच क्यों नहीं पेड़ हो गए कम क्यों तीन है ये मौसम क्यों चांद दो क्यों नहीं दुनिया में है जंग क्यों बहना लाल रंग क्यों सरहदें है क्यों हर कहीं
Well, the event was most sensible one. It should have been done long earlier. ये इतना अच्छा हुआ कि जितना हर ना जाने में जैसे मैंने बोला कि ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है बट एक जगह प्लेटफॉर्म देना और फिर इतने सारे बच्चे लोगों को वैरायटी टैलेंट के थ्रू से इनको आगे लाना इट इज़ अ ग्रेट जॉब डन बाय NMTV. We really wish more and more programs such comes out so that कि न्यू बॉम्बे के जितने बच्चे लोग हैं या इवन अदर लोग हैं उनको ऐसे ऐसे चांस मिला जाए ताकि अपने अंदर के टैलेंट्स को प्रकट किया जाए.
जजिंग कितना डिफिकल्ट था?
जजिंग डिफिकल्ट नहीं, जो क्लियर टैलेंटेड है वो तो दिखाई देता है. जो मतलब दोज हु हैव द टैलेंट्स इट वाज इजी टू जज देम. इट वाज डिफिकल्ट टू जज द पीपल हु वर ऑन पैरेलल टाई अप.
So what do you think, boys or girls, who were good?
बॉयज और गर्ल्स में तो हुआ गुड लेकिन तीनों ही लड़कियां आई है. So maybe it's a woman's year.
What message do you have for kids who did not win?
Well, जो लोग जीता है, I feel that they are more confident, maybe overconfident, क्यों already जीत चुका है. और जो लोग नहीं जीते हैं, they will be more cautious for the next time. They'll be more intelligent. They will play their steps in a much more cautious way. We are with them. The people, the children who didn't win, we all are with them.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
How was your experience?
Oh, it was great. The kids were great and they had really put in a lot of hard work and NMTV has really supported them very well. So I think the whole function went great.
What did you think about the kids?
They were great. I think they really deserved and even the people, it was very hard for us as a judge to decide which, whom to choose and whom not to choose. I think it was just great.
How difficult judging was?
Very difficult. I would never like to do it again because you feel so, you don't know whom to give which marks. It's quite tough, but it was good.
What message do you want to give out to people who did not win?
Oh, they are winners. It's not that they didn't win. It's a game and one person has to be declared a winner. But they all were winners, so there were no losers in this game. Thank you.
So what did you think about the program?
Yeah, it was great. It was a nice competition and it was a challenge for all the competitors and they did excellently well in such a short time. When NMTV approached my school, I didn't think that it will be so great because it's a short time of 1 month and the students were trained very nicely and they did a good job. I wish NMTV all the success in future.
So how difficult was it to judge the students?
Yeah. Because all the competition was so narrow. All the contestants were so good. It was very difficult for us to judge it, but somehow we made it.
So what message do you want to give to children who did not win?
Success is always a pillar on failure. So if they didn't do well this time, naturally they have learned a lot of experience from this event and they will do better next time.
What did you think of the event?
It's great. Normally we measure the children's quality only by the number of marks they score in the school. But that's not enough. In the life, they should be smart enough in all respects. The health, intelligence, confidence level, overall growth. I think this is a great contest, at least in this region currently, to understand the child's overall capability. I think this brings out the best of the children. So it should get continued and get more and more refined so that the children get an overall growth. The platform is too good.
What do you think about the concept of NMTV Kids Month 2000?
That's what I said. It's beautiful. So normally we focus upon only on the marks. So the NMTV has taken a lot of pains to analyze the concept as like a health, the smartness, intelligence, everything. So I think this is the right thing to be done approach so that we get right of children for the future generation.
How difficult was it to judge the students?
Oh my goodness, believe me, it's too difficult. It's really, I think you already filtered up quite a lot. So you have really brought the best of the lot. And out of that, bringing down the number of children less, it's too difficult. I tell you, I think almost all the judges had a tough time. But at the end of the day, hopefully we have done a fairly good job.
What message do you have for people who did not win?
That's part of life. Winning and losing is nothing great about it. In fact, the losers have the more confidence now. Okay, I should find, possibly 2009 they should contest and then try to win the game. So losing, nothing to worry about it. That's part of life. I think that should possibly be the lesson we should learn for the future generation.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Thanks so much.
Program was conducted in a very nice manner, and the talent of the children have really come out of it. This was, I think, the first time in New Bombay NMTV has conducted. So kudos to NMTV.
What do you think about the concept of NMTV Express?
This concept is very good. This allows the budding kids, children, an extracurricular activity wherein other than academics they can come out and perform and show their skills.
So tell us how difficult it was to judge the students.
No, it was quite very difficult. Each child is a unique child, and it's very difficult to point out and then pick out and give marks. It was really a tough time, but nevertheless, the best wins.
So what message do you have for people who did not win?
No, you should keep fighting, and this is not a competition. Basically, you should take it as a developing your personality and your talent. So don't be sad that you have lost anything. There is nothing to lose. You always gain. These kind of programs always groom you to be to face life. Both success and failure has to be faced, and these kinds of programs give them these kind of encouragements.
Yes, I enjoyed it very much. It's a wonderful attempt by NMTV. I congratulate Mr. Ravi and his team. I wish in future also they give this type of program.
What do you think about the concept of NMTV?
Excellent, excellent. It's a beautiful concept to bring the talents in Navi Mumbai. I hope they'll keep on doing this type of program in future also.
What message do you have for children?
Yes, I wish them all the best. I pray the Almighty give them good sense, and they should work for the humanity. They should work for the country. They should be honest and hard work. They should take India to the next century. We should be the most developed country.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
सोचा नहीं तो सोचो अभी बहती क्यों है हर नदी होती क्या है रोशनी बर्फ गिरती है क्यों दोस्त क्यों है रूठते तारे क्यों है टूटते बादलों में बिजली है क्यों सोचा है ये तुमने क्या कभी सोचा है क्या है ये क्या सभी सोचा है सोचा नहीं तो सोचो अभी सन्नाटा सुनाई नहीं देता और हवाएं दिखाई नहीं देती सोचा है क्या कभी होता है ये क्यों
Right now we have with us the first NMTV Kid 2000 Smart winner Aishwarya Ghosh. Aishwarya, tell me something. You are the winner of NMTV Kid 2000 Smart. Tell me something about your feelings today.
I'm feeling very nice, and it's like my dream. It's like a dream. Like my dream has come true.
So what you using? How you using this 25,000 rupees?
Money is not the main thing. I had many experience, and it was like an adventure.
So how's your total experience during this fourth week?
It's very enjoyable.
How much you learned?
We learned a lot and made many new friends. Thank you.
We have with us Pooji Gupta, the first runner-up of NMTV Kid 2008. Pooji, tell me how you feeling today.
I'm feeling that I am in a dream, and what to tell that I'm so happy today.
Tell me something about the experience of yours on the
I always in the competition I always get second, first, third. I don't know. I'm feeling so happy. I'm feeling very nice that I can now I'm having money to study more higher. Like I can study in many competitions and like that.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Right now we have with us the second runner-up of NMTV Kid 2008, Shruti Narayan. Shruti, tell me how you feeling today.
I'm feeling very good to have achieved this goal.
How's your experience, Shruti, during all this session?
I felt very good because not only winning was the main point, but also I made many new friends and I had many new learnings, and the experience, the learning which I got here was unique.
And how you using this 15,000 to 10,000?
Well, it's not the point of money. It's only that I have participated in this competition and achieved the goal. But of course, I will use it for my scholarship when I grow up and for my future. Thank you.
I don't think that I can win the talent, but I win. My friends told me you will win, but I told them anybody can win. It's not that I will only win. I'm feeling very much better. Thank you. I'm feeling very nice. It was a very nice experience because we learned many new learnings. We make good friends.
You are popular among